We can even perform numerical operations using the interactive shell in idle. So first we'll take a value x equals to 10 and y equals to 4. First we'll just check if these values have been stored. So we'll print x and y. So yes, they are 10 and 4. First operation that we will be doing is addition. So addition is x plus y, and we press enter and it gives the value 14. Next is subtraction, and here we write x minus y and give 6. The next arithmetic operation is multiplication. So we write x multiplied by y, and that's 40. And next is division. But Python has two different types of division. The first division is the simple x slash y, which gives us the float value. And the other division is x double slash y, which gives us the integer value as the result. 10 divided by 4 would give 2.5, but when we do the double slash y, it typecasts your result 2.5 into an int value. So 2.5 gets converted to 2. Next is modulus. So we write x mod y, we get value is 2. These are all the basic arithmetic operation. Another operation that comes in very handy is the power operation, where we write x double star y. We get 10 raised to 4, that is 10 1 0 0 0. You could also do y star star 2, that is 4 square, which is 16. This covers all the arithmetic operations that we have tested in the interactive shell.